Obesity has emerged as a major threat worldwide, increasing the risk of various dangerous diseases. According to experts, if we reduce the use of edible oil in our diet by just 10%, we can significantly lower obesity risks while improving heart and digestive health. Even Prime Minister Modi recently emphasized this point. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, obesity has become an epidemic, meaning it is spreading rapidly across the globe. Obesity-related diseases are responsible for the deaths of approximately 2.8 million adults every year worldwide. However, obesity is not just caused by oil or fat alone. In fact, fat is essential for the body. The real problem lies in consuming bad fat, which comes from refined carbohydrates, sugar, and processed edible oils. That's why in today's Fitness Secret we will discuss good fat and bad fat, along with the difference between good fat and bad fat, foods that provide good fat, foods that contribute to bad fat in the body, alarming obesity statistics. According to WHO statistics, 1 in every 8 people worldwide struggles with obesity, and this number is increasing rapidly. The risk of obesity among children has also grown 4 times higher. In 2022, around 2.5 billion people worldwide were dealing with obesity, making it a major health concern. Why is fat important for the body? Apart from water, proteins and fats are the most essential components in our body's structure. Fat is not the enemy. If you believe that all fat is harmful to health, that is not entirely true. To put it simply, there are 2 types of fat. 1. Good fat, necessary for health. 2. Bad fat, causes various diseases. Why good fat is essential for health. Good fat provides energy, keeps the heart healthy, and increases good cholesterol, HDL. Some key benefits include improves brain function, enhances skin and hair health, strengthens digestion and immunity, reduces the risk of heart disease, helps maintain healthy weight, strengthens bones and joints. Diseases caused by bad fat. Bad fat increases bad cholesterol, LDL, in the body, leading to an increased risk of heart disease and other illnesses. It can also cause skin and hair-related problems. Health issues due to bad fat, weight gain and obesity, hair loss problems, skin diseases, high blood pressure, heart diseases, inflammation, diabetes, fatty liver, cancer. What to eat for good fat? To stay healthy, it is crucial to include good fat in your diet. Nuts and seeds are among the best sources of good fat you can consume. Almonds, beneficial for heart and brain. Peanuts, helps in heart health and diabetes. Walnuts, good for skin and bones. Sunflower seeds, acts as an immunity booster. Chia seeds, improves skin and digestion. Flax seeds, supports heart and brain health. Coconut oil, good for digestion and skin. Mustard oil, helps with heart and bone health. In moderate amounts, milk, yogurt, cheese and ghee can also be beneficial. Foods that contain bad fat. Any packaged food that can be eaten immediately after opening is likely high in bad fat. If you frequently eat chips or salty snacks, you are consuming excessive bad fat and inviting health issues. Other sources of bad fat include French fries, burgers and pizzas, all sausages and processed meats, fried foods like pakoras, samosas and kachoris, cakes, cookies, donuts and pastries, chips and salty snacks, cold drinks and packaged juices, refined oil and store-bought butter, processed cheese and margarine, ice creams and chocolates. Common questions about good and bad. Fat. Is mustard oil healthy? Yes, mustard oil is healthy when used correctly and in moderation. It contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. This helps control blood pressure and reduces the risk of heart disease. Mustard oil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties that protect against infections. Is ghee healthy? Yes, ghee ghee is beneficial for health when consumed in moderation. It helps boost immunity, improve digestion, and enhance brain function. Ghee contains omega-3 and omega-9 fatty acids, which promote heart health. It is also rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K, which strengthen bones and immunity. Consuming 1–2 teaspoons, 10 to 15 grams daily, is beneficial. Is it harmful to reheat the same oil multiple times? Yes, reheating the same oil multiple times is highly harmful. It produces toxic compounds, trans fats, hydrocarbons, and free radicals, which are dangerous for the heart, liver, and digestive system. Reused oil can even increase the risk of cancer. Which oils are best for cooking? Choosing the right oil is crucial for heart and brain health, as well as skin, hair, and bones. Some of the best oils for cooking include mustard oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, olive oil, ghee. Avoid these oils. Refined oil, palm oil, vanaspati ghee, hydrogenated fats. So friends, if you like this article, don't forget to like and share. If you're new to our Fitness Secret channel, subscribe now to receive the latest health updates. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Stay happy, keep learning new things every day, and take care of your health. Thank you.